Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, we had CPI inflation data. It really didn't do a whole lot on any of the dollar pairs because the news was pretty flat. We ended up breaking below the 38%. Today in my morning video, I was saying that this does seem like a really good place to look for buys, but I also said that I definitely wouldn't be looking for buys until I got a breaker structure to the upside. There was no breaker structure to the upside today, and instead what actually ended up happening in hindsight is we had a 1, 2, it's actually more like 5 ways up, but definitely a nice little pattern to the upside, corrective overlapping pattern, right to the 78% Fibonacci retracement of the last impulsive move down, and an engulfing move to the downside. Beautiful, beautiful entry to go short. Probably better seen on like the 15-minute time frame range, but definitely a really, really nice entry to go short. Another great, great trend trade. Now I'm going to say the same thing as I always say. I would be doing nothing right now but looking for shorts until I got a breaker structure to the upside, preferably on like the 4-hour time frame and up. Until then, shorts all the way, especially at the end of three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.